Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. I'm going to do a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I am going to put a little bit of just white on it. It's a dirty canvas. I've got fingerprints on it, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to cover the canvas anyway. I just want a little bit of a wet base. So this is white, Artist Loft white mixed 1:1 with Floetrol. Floetrol is latex based, and it is used as a pouring medium. I don't use glue, and it's a more economical version as opposed to Liquitex pouring medium. So I add 1 part Floetrol latex based to 1 part paint, and then if it's 2 paint I add water. If it's craft bottle paint I don't generally add water to it. I've got some beautiful colors. I've got Emperor's Gold and Vintage Brass from DecoArt. I have Cyanine Blue, Cyanine Green. I've got some purple, and I think that's the only colors I'm going to use. I am going to add OGX Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Hair Serum. It is a very specific product. It's in my Amazon link below the video. The first ingredient is dimethicone, and if you push down on the pump it'll give you too much product. So what I do is I put it into a bottle that's a dropper, and you just need 1 drop in your colors. I know it's already in the purple, so I didn't add any in the purple. So you don't have to add a ton of it. It's not like silicone treadmill lubricant like Spot On. That I usually add 1 drop per ounce of mixture. With this I just add 1 drop of OGX period to the colors. I'm going to do a funnel pour. Oh, and I also have white in the bottle. This yellow bottle has white. It's half white and half DecoArt Satin Enamel. So I'm just going to do kind of like I'm going to put it in a funnel. And I know that I need basically 7 or 8 ounces to cover this canvas. So I'm just going to start putting some colors in, and I'm going to just switch off. I'm just kind of doing it like a dirty pour, but just straight into the funnel. But I'm holding the funnel closed at the bottom with my finger. Okay, I'm going to put some Vintage Brass. I'm going to put a shot of that white down in there. I'm going to go back to blue, green. I'll do another little bit Emperor's Gold and purple. So we're just going to see what happens here. I got more than enough paint, too much paint actually. I can tell by the weight of it. But I've got like probably way more than 8 ounces of paint in this funnel. I'm just going to let it go. All right. I'm going to be patient and wait just a few minutes before I tilt. So I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, just having fun playing. Kind of a dirty pour through a funnel, and then adding some white and gold accents just to give it a little poof, a little design to it. So there it is. So I've got an 8 by 10. I'm going to lay it right down here. Zoom in a little bit more. Take a cup. I need, no more than 4 ounces or something like that to cover this. Well, I'll start with this white cup that I already have with some white in it. And I'm just going to use this beautiful phthalo blue. Green. And I'm going to put this white that has the DecoArt Satin Enamel, squirted that in there in a few places. Some of this vintage brass. Blue. Okay, I'll do more blue. I think that green's pretty strong. Another shot of the white. So more than enough paint for this 8 by 10 canvas. Pop the air bubbles. I love this part. I don't want all that white. So I think I'm going to take my balloon. A little blue, a little green. A little gold. Just one little roll through, I think. And then I'm going to let some of that shift off. Not much. I'm going to leave it just like that. Phthalo blue and green are always very pretty together. They're a good complement for each other. So we'll see how this dries. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out all the links below the video where it says show more, or on your mobile device it's a down arrow. If you're a subscriber, click on the bell in the bottom right hand corner and you'll get notifications when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.